Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a class that we have coming your way. This is going to be in Emory, Texas, presented by Money, Law, and Title on Wednesday, March 22nd from 9 a.m. to noon Central Time. And this is Become Google Great. Breakfast is going to be provided. You're going to come and join us on site with your laptop, with your tablet. If you don't want to join on site or you can't, you can always join us via Zoom. There is a recording option for everybody, whether you're in person or online. And this is a class that I'm going to take you through all of the things that you can do and do for free with Google that is going to maximize your business. And we've got people that have done this session and they'll come back a year or two later and go, oh my gosh, I'm making an extra $200,000 to $300,000 a year from all the tools and techniques taught in this class. It's the best class I've ever taken in my business career. This is one that you do not want to miss. We're going to be at the Rose Community Center in Emory, Texas. Again, sponsored by Money, Law, and Title. And all you have to do is register below. And we'll see you guys either in person or online. Thanks.